Yo, Evil, man, I'm tired of this shit, man. I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. You with it?
Word, let's break out of here, Ice. Word up.
I got to go, man. Yo, homeboy, you wanna go? No, man. Yo, fuck you then, man. Yo, E, you with it?
Yo, I'm with it, man.
Yo, let's get the posse, man. We gonna blow this hot dog stand, man. Fuck these police down here, man.
Word, we don't need this.
Hit the gate.
Escaping the killing field. Escaping the killing field. Escaping the killing field. Escaping the killing field.
Here we go, I'm moving off death row. You gotta keep up hops, you can't be slow. Cause the towers are high, they got the hype gas. Check the perimeters good, read the maps. It's night, they might not see us. Cause if they catch us after, they'll bleed us. Shoot us, kill us, dump us in a dark ditch. Clean it up, call it a gang hit. I gotta make my move cause I'm a renegade. I recognize when mine techniques are being played. It's a plot they use to keep down another. Here comes another brainwashed brother. Yo, man, it sound like you selling out to me, cause I'm from the ghetto, man. I'm supposed to stay in the ghetto all my life. We ain't never supposed to leave here. We black, we supposed to be poor. Shut up, do you know how dumb you sound? That mentality what keeps my people down. Nobody wants to live in an urban war. You live there cause your parents were poor. They live there cause theirs were also. Get yourself together, hit the gates, bro. You gotta get out, you gotta get out. Why? Gotta get out, you gotta get out. Why? You gotta get out, you gotta get out. Why? Cause the fields are where you die. You try to keep us running and running faster, but I ain't running from you, I'm running at you. And my posse's thick, about a mil strong. Too late to make up now, cause it's on. I'm the one that's got you in constant fear. I'm the nigga you should've killed last year. But you played yourself, you let me gain wealth. Now I can change the way the cards are dealt. I schooled my homeboys, made them all understand the tricks and twists inflicted on the black man. How you make me think to be down, I gotta stay around, down in the motherfucking battleground.
We got the Puerto Ricans where we want them, we got the Mexicans and the blacks where we want them. Well shit, they're all black. We gotta keep them together, the same way we got those fucking Indians.
There'll never be any good schools in the hood. There'll never be any cops that are any good. The hospital's a great place to go to die. Real estate cheap, let me tell you why. The man's got a surefire system. An economic prison. Gotta get out, you gotta get out. Why? Gotta get out, you gotta get out. Why? Gotta get out, you gotta get out. Why? Cause the fields are where you die.